Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your phone number on Instacart. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar grocery and food delivery apps for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website instacart.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for your account settings. Click on your account settings. Under Personal Information, you will see a section for phone number. Beside it is an option for change. Click on Change. On the pop-up window, enter the new phone number you wish to use. After entering, click on the Change Number button. And now your phone number has been added. To verify it, click on the Verify button and follow the on-screen instructions and prompts. That's how you change your phone number on Instacart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.